So in the last video, we have already imported our contact list and we have also cleaned our contact list out of the bad emails. Now in this tutorial, what we will be doing is we will be creating our first email campaign using an email builder within Mailget. Okay. So either you can click on this create email button, or you can also press this create email button on the taskbar. I'm pressing the create email button on the top. Now on the top it mentions whether you want to create a regular campaign or a drip campaign. Okay, I would suggest you to create a regular campaign, as drip campaign is more about email automation, and we will be covering email automation in further chapters. In this chapter you just have to select this regular campaign button. Next you can see that we have multiple email builders covered within Mailget. First is the drag and drop email builder. Next is the basic text editor. Third is the custom code editor. Fourth is an email template builder, which you can use to create email by choosing some of the email templates which have been created inside Mailget. So in this section, I'm going to create your first email using builder. Okay, so I'm just pressing the create using builder button. And as soon as you press, you get this welcome message from the Mailget email builder. It says, want to see what Mailget can do? Get started here. I'm just pressing the start building mail button. Next, it asks for the subject for this email. Okay, this subject that you enter here is actually editable, and you can change the subject of this email in the next screen. My first email campaign. So this is the subject of my email. I'm pressing the save subject button. On the left bar, you can see that we have different options to create email. There are headings that you can create, simple text, image, button, the text and image, the image and text, the 2-column area, the 3-column area, the divider, and the social icons. Okay. Lastly, we can change the body background, the content background, the heading colors, the text colors, the button background, and the button text color. Okay. So what I'm doing is, first of all, I'm going to create a very new email from scratch. Okay, on the right bar here we have different modules which can be moved around, they can be deleted, and you can do anything that you like with these elements. For now on, I'm just deleting all the elements that are previously placed, and we got a simple framework which looks like a very small framework here. So first of all, what I'm doing is I'm adding a header image for my email. Okay, so I'm just pressing on this image, on this image again. I've already have my email header image, so I can just import this header image here. If you don't want to have the header image, you can also delete the header image from your email if you like. Okay, but in this case, I'm just adding a header image to my email. Okay, it says uploading, and you can see the upload has been completed, and I'm just saving the image. If you like, you can add a link to this header image. But next, what I'm trying to do is I have actually created an email content in a notepad file. So I'm just going to paste all the content one by one, just to make sure that rapid creation of email is done. So next, I'm selecting a header tab. It says this is heading. I have my heading here. I'm just copying the heading, I'm pasting the heading here, I'm selecting it, and I'm centering the heading. Okay, save it. That's it. It's too easy. Next, I'm clicking on the text block, and as you can see, the text block has been added. I have this text, I'm just copying the text and I'm pasting it here. That's it. Again, the text has been added. Next, I'm adding a button. Check out Mailget here, ... https:// my link of the website where you want the user to go after clicking this link will go here. Where you want this button to be, I want it to be in the center. I just created a button and I saved it. Isn't it amazing? Next, I'm adding another text block. Okay, I actually have a text block here. I added everything. I made it bold. I want all those features to be in the bullets. So I'm adding all the features in the bullets, and that's it. Save. I am adding a button again. Check me out, please. Again, the link of the website where you want the users to go once they press the button, and I mentioned the center, and save. Okay, another text block. I just want to leave the message by thanks and warm message, and that's it. Formget.com. That's it. The email is created using the builder. Isn't it amazing? So in just a few simple steps, in less than 5 minutes, I guess, you are able to create a stunning looking email right away. If you want to change the background, you have this option where you can switch between backgrounds as you like. You can get a softer background. So I want this background which is a little softer on this. If you want to change the content background, you can change this. I want it white. Similarly, if you want to change the button colors, you can change it to red or blue or anything that you like. Okay, and that's it. If you see the preview of this email, this is how the email will look once it is sent to all the user. Okay, next I'm just pressing the save and continue button, and that is your entire training of how you can create your email using builder. Once you have created the email, on the next screen you're moved on to the audience selection screen where you can select the audience and start to send the emails. So you can select your audience from here. Whoever you want to send the emails, you can select from here. Then you can include the name using which you want to send the email. So the from name is Neeraj at Formget. You can select the from email address, the subject line. If you want to send this email as an to individuals just to test this email, you can do that. And lastly, you can just press the send email button, and the email will actually be delivered after you can see the preview. So what was the contact list that we created? We created a contact list. What was the name of that list? So new tutorial list. I've selected a new tutorial list for sending this email. Blah blah blah. I'm saving this message and I'm sending this email. Okay. Next, you can press the continue button and you can just press the send it button, and all your emails will be delivered right away. Isn't it amazing? So it's that simple. You can create emails using builder. Then you will be moved to the audience selection screen where you can select which audience you want this email to be sent to. And lastly, you can just deliver this email. Okay. In the next tutorial, I will be showing you how you can create emails through the basic text editor and the custom code editor, and using email templates as well.